I'm going to be installing this new Streetwise 3000 watt pure sine wave inverter. Peak flow 6000 watts. So the reason I'm installing it is just to give me a few more power options, really for heating the water, running the fridge, TV, etc. when we're at anchor. Although they are all 12 volt, the water heater is 240. I have bought a generator to heat the water, but I think it's not very friendly in a packed anchorage. At present I got two 300 watt solar panels up there, charging two large 220 amp hour batteries there. Also another 210 amp batteries there. So, in the box. Book. Power leads. There she is. Battery terminals, dual fan, on, off. Next job is where to site the inverter. I just kind of don't want to go into the seats or anything because I don't want to have to lift up the seats and cushions and what have you just to turn it on and off and plug something in. So the other option was to put it in the cupboard there, but it's just a bit of a tight fit. And I do use that cupboard. So I've come up with this this place here, just under the seat. There's quite a big lip there, so it doesn't stick out. There's no sharp edges or anything on it. So that's where it's going to go. Easily accessible. And again, running the wires straight through this little groove here, which is quite handy. Connecting them straight onto the battery terminal there, and this black one here. Great, so there we go. With this set up now, I can plug in my water heater there. Just a short extension lead into the inverter. And hey presto, hot water. This particular Streetwise inverter was £265 from Toolstation in the UK. Again, this is not a paid advertisement or anything like that, just doing it for the hell of it. Thanks for watching.